Go ahead.
Vegas, you want to smell some candles? They smell first.
Yeah. You like that candles?
Do another one.
Okay. Then you want to smell the white one?
Yep.
Okay. Now pink one.
I think he likes the white one.
And the last one.
What do you think, Vegas?